Nzama ya kuthuima wailu wa atongoi ala molootwa ukava wa silikali kauntini ya Kitui Appointments Committee nitwaiisye iseso ya kuthuima wailu wa nzama ya andu atano la molootilwe kusakua andu aseo ala mailite kwolootwa kulika myanyani ya muandiki wa county secretary mutai wa maundu ma miao kauntini ino county Anthony na muandiki nzamani ya uandikinani secretary to the county public service board. Nzama itwaiisye iseso ye ya kumathuima aitongoew'e speaker wa mbunge ya county no Kevin Kinengo balayuma sieto meonenganwe thini wa mbunge ya county kuneenaniw'a mbunge yauma uthiumwone lina musangi nukutwalasi.
Do swear that the information I shall give before this committee on the matters under its consideration shall be the truth.
Onakwitha bunge ya Kitui uthiumoni kamiti ya kuungamia maundu makonete uandikinani kana appointments kamiti ile aitongoeswe ni speaker wa bunge Kevin Kinengo. Kwiyo ni manatwaiisye iseso ya kuthuima memba 5 na ala mendekethetwe ni gavana wa kaunti Kitui Julius Malombe kuthuima kwolootwa kwa musilu wa makoani wa kaunti kana kaunti ya Tony na secretary wa board ya public service.
And I consulted because we are on recess. We are still on recess. Because of the urgency of this matter, as per our standing orders, I'm allowed to consult the majority leader and the minority leader so that we can gazette a special plenary sitting so that we can commit the names to the relevant committee. So we had a special sitting of this assembly on 20th of January 2025, whereby the speaker committed the names of the selection panel to the committee on appointments, and we immediately advertised and invited all the nominees, including yourself, to join us here today so that we do this particular vetting process.
Zino wake kalokie Nzama itana ula wendekethetwe ta mwene kivila wa Nzama na iwambe kuthuima mbe wa kamiti akuitetea muno ndu weyani otuika na utonyi wa atongoi.
By your academic qualifications and experience, do you feel competent enough to oversee the recruitment of a county attorney, a senior lawyer, the legal advisor to the county government?
I am very comfortable with several reasons. One, I'm a reader of the Constitution. Second is that I actually served in the Tanadi Water Service Board as a director, and I was leading very key role in planning. And I worked closely also with the legal officer at that time for 3 years. And I learned a lot on how the government executes some of these laws.
Amemba manzama na mwala mana kuliswa mokolo mbe wa kamiti ni vamana Stephen Ngole, Jacinta Wangove, Joseph Munyasi na Kaukimoli na alama na kiese kamiti tameyumite kudhuku manzini wa myanya kwa wiki kuu.
Since you are a CPA, what relevance does your profession have as pertains to this selection panel you are about to be selected to?
A CPA is known to be a person who is supposed to solve problems in diversity ways. Can be in public sector and private sector. One of the key things a CPA does is to understand even the recruitment process.
So he's one of the key person that is supposed to be actually advising the government on all matters on legal issues.
And to know that you are doing a good job for our county, for my county, because I come from here, and I'm really very grateful for this opportunity.
Because I also want to congratulate you because I know you have recently been sworn in as a member of the IBC selection panel. Congratulations. We are proud of you as Kitui County.
Viti ikwatewa kuandika report kumana na iseso na kumithake bunge nitina wa kuma uthiumoni. Kuma kaunti na Kitui report ya vilingo wa mauvo nilina Musangi.